Oh, thanks. Okay. You selling? How much for the? How much for the mangoes? Huh? Huh?
And that you want to sell for?
250 for one? Okay. Anyone? They're sweet? Huh? I have a YouTube channel. So tell me if they're sweet, cause are they sweet? Okay. I need 8. Easy then. Want the sweet one then, please.
As I said,
If they're not sweet, oh, so she tell me that 250 I want.
Listen, you said to her that I used to when it was there, but the reason is I have to change the price.
Okay. So you're giving me discount then? Huh?
Hey, give me this mango.
Is discount you're giving me?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for the discount, alright? I need more. Where the riper one?
20.
Wait, no man.
Wait, let me look.
That one have a spot. I don't think she knows the spot.
I want it the same as long as it's ripe and sweet.
Yeah, well, I can guarantee you all of them are sweet. Let me give you another.
Nice. We outside.
No, let's see pick what she wants.
No, I don't want that one. Mama wants no, me like big things.
You like this? Okay.
How much is that now?
Okay.
No, don't.
Man, wait, no, man.
No, I don't pick that one.
Put it in this one.
Alright.
Right, we have 6 or 18.
18.
And same thing there.
No man, it's a 9. 18 now. 363 900.
Sorry, my apologies. Sorry.
$1,800. And give me my brother. You said $300 for one.
No man, they said a tree for those.
Oh,
My apologies. That's not the time.
oh, tree. Because it's a tree for $300. Oh, give me brother now. I'm in a business. Still want
I
it.
have no problem. They will give you. They come in a way. You just send me.
Give me the one here.